Welcome to Little Kids Learners. Today we learn about types of specialist doctors. Let's start. Neurologist. A neurologist is trained in the brain and nervous system. Neurologist. Obstetrician and gynecologist. OBGYN is a physician who cares for women and their babies during pregnancy and childbirth. Obstetrician and gynecologist. Endocrinologist. An endocrinologist provides diagnoses and care for health issues rooted in the endocrine system. Endocrinologist. Cardiologists. Cardiologists focus on the cardiovascular system, which includes the heart and blood vessels. Cardiologists. Otolaryngologist. Otolaryngologists are often referred to as ENTs for ear, nose, and throat. Otolaryngologist. Psychiatrist. A psychiatrist looks after people with mental illnesses like depression and schizophrenia. Psychiatrist. Pediatrician. Pediatrician. Pediatrics is a branch of medicine that deals with the medical treatment of babies, children, and teenagers. Pediatrician. Dermatologist. An dermatologist treats the skin, hair, and nails disorders. Dermatologist. Gastroenterologists. Gastroenterologists focus on the digestive system. This includes the esophagus, pancreas, stomach, liver, small intestine, colon, and gallbladder. Gastroenterologists. Oncologists. Oncologists are doctors that examine, diagnose, and treat cancer using a variety of therapies. Oncologists. Ophthalmologist. An ophthalmologist is an eye care specialist. They diagnosing and treating eye and vision conditions. Ophthalmologist. Radiologists. A radiologist is a medical doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating conditions and injuries using imaging equipment like MRIs, CT scans, X-rays. Radiologists. Pulmonologist. A pulmonologist is a doctor that specializes in internal medicine, lungs, and the cardiopulmonary system, which includes the lungs, heart, blood vessels. Pulmonologist. Cardiothoracic surgeon. A cardiothoracic surgeon specializes in performing surgery on the heart, lungs, and other organs in the chest. Cardiothoracic surgeon. Orthopedist. An orthopedist is the diagnosis and treatment of injuries and diseases that affect the musculoskeletal system, like the bones, muscles, joints, and soft tissues. Orthopedist. Anesthesiologist. An anesthesiologist specializes in anesthesia, the medical treatment that prevents pain during surgery or procedures. Anesthesiologist. Internists. An internist, or doctor of internal medicine, is a medical professional who specializes in the diagnosis, treatment, and care of adult patients. Internists. Nephrologists. A nephrologist is a medical doctor who specializes in the care of kidneys and the treatment of kidney diseases. Nephrologists. Urologist. A urologist is a doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating diseases of the urinary system. Urologist. Emergency physician. An emergency physician, also known as an ER doctor, who works in a hospital's emergency department to treat patients with acute illnesses or injuries. Emergency physician. Family physician. A family physician, also known as a general practitioner, is a doctor who provides comprehensive medical care to patients of all ages and genders. Family physician. Geriatrician. A geriatric medicine doctor, also called a geriatrician, is a physician who specializes in caring for the medical needs of older adults. Geriatrician. Hematologist. A clinical hematologist is a medical professional who specializes in diagnosing, treating, and managing diseases of the blood and blood-producing organs. Hematologist. Immunologist. An immunologists are trained to treat allergies and disease of the immune system such as asthma. Immunologist. Rheumatologist. A rheumatologist is a doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating diseases that affect the joints, muscles, and bones. Rheumatologist. Dentist. Dentists remove tooth decay, fill cavities, and repair fractured teeth. Dentists diagnose and treat problems with teeth, gums, and related parts of the mouth. Dentist. Neonatologist. A neonatologist is a medical professional who specializes in the care of newborn babies, especially those who are premature or have medical issues. Neonatologist. Chiropractor. An chiropractor treating the spine by using their hands to examine and treat health conditions related to the bones, muscles, and joints. Chiropractor. Somnologist. A somnologist, also known as a sleep specialist, is a medical professional who specializes in diagnosing and treating sleep disorders. Somnologist. Geneticist. A geneticist is a scientist who studies how genes and heredity work, including how traits are passed down from parents to their children. Geneticist. Audiologist. An audiologist is a healthcare professional who specializes in diagnosing, treating, and managing hearing, balance, and ear disorders. Audiologist. Thank you for watching. Oi kiddos! Don't forget to subscribe channel and see my other videos.